Zwei, drei, yeah.
Hello guys, today we're going to do some parrot muffins. You need 2 eggs and
120 ml water,
120 ml water,
130 ml
130 ml
sunflower oil,
sunflower oil and maida
120 grams.
120 grams. And so that is for the type. So we made it already.
3 portions.
3 portions of type for every bowl. Now we need some color. Where's the color?
Yeah, here are the 2 colors.
Here are the 2 colors we need. See? Let me show you. First, we will take some green. So let's pour it in the green. As you can see, it's green and glittery too. Now you're done. So next, take the purple one and put it in.
Pink one.
Pinkish purple one, like violet. And now you take a spoon and stir it up. Like that. It doesn't look that good yet, but it'll be.
Yeah, Mama will do it.
My mother is doing it for me and now I'm doing the purple. You have to do it moisturizing. Okay. What is this big bowl for, Mama?
It is the white, the mixing.
It's the white mixing of the colors. Because we have to also have some white. So we don't need a spoon for this one. And we got these sprinkles in the box already. These little sprinkles. And now we'll pour it. Let's do it.
First pink.
First pink. Let's do it. Let's go. So, first put the pink. Wow. Put it in. Take some, how much you want. You can put so much you want in it, and it's okay when it mixes.
And the white.
I'm readying the pink for the next step. So now you take, my mom took the white right now. It's okay when you mix it.
Yeah.
So next comes the pink again. Let that drop in. Mom, can you do it?
Yeah.
And
The drop so. And
1, 2, 3.
hello guys. Today already you saw it. We made this like this already. We filled it up. And my mother set the oven like that. You can see that. Look there. And that's all. Now, Mama, can you come 1 second, please?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do now. Now, what do you do next?
180 degrees.
I told already.
25-30 minutes.
It'll take a while. So, yeah. Guys, now the cupcakes are ready. My mom, take a mitten and don't do it alone. Now, my mother is opening it. But, you doing it with my mother. So, yeah. Those are the muffins we made. Right now, they look like that.